Good morning, class. Today we're going to be discussing draping. That's our subject matter today. Your outcome is to learn how to practice safety procedures and effective draping to protect your client's clothes, yourselves, and everything. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is what? Sanitize your hands. Do not touch the pump. Right? Now it's time to go ahead and get your client. Okay? This is your client, right? Take her hair. You don't have to comb it just yet or detangle it yet. Take her hair and pin it away, like so. Then, you're going to take your neck strip. Wrap it around, like so. It's okay to tuck it. Do not tie it. This is a state board practice. So, they want you to actually this is what I'm looking for. Tuck it away. Okay. Then take your cape, take your first towel, because you're gonna need 2 towels. Now fold back to not have to fall in the client's face. Place it on like so. Wrap it around the neck. Okay. Ensuring that you hold it. Take your next drape. Hold on. Like so. Take another towel and wrap it around the neck. Take your tape, unfold it. Take the center of the cape. Like so. Wrap it around. Ensuring that it's secured and tight. Okay, and this is what you call a chemical drape. So your main takeaway today was doing a double drape for a chemical service, such as chemical permanent waving, hair coloring, anything that deals with a chemical. This is the type of drape you will be doing. Thank you. Have a good day.